Okay. Here we are, the Hoover Dam. Okay, I'm just going to roll down. Yeah! Okay. Finally found where the trail goes. Down through here, stay on trail. Aha. Okay. Finally. Well, it looks quite spectacular up there. This is like something out of a Western movie. Well, let's see, how's Margie doing? Okay, following me, good. And some signposts up here. So let's see what we got. This is quite impressive. Bottom gear needed on this bit. Wow. Right. We'll circle around here and we'll wait for Marjorie to come up. Oh, it's getting a bit easier up here. There we go. We'll turn round and well, you might change your mind when you're having to go uphill on this loose gravelly stuff. Yeah, they've put all that wood up there to keep it from falling in. I think they said there are 5 tunnels, didn't there? This is it then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the last one. Timbered tunnels. They got a sign there with talking about the timbered tunnels. I guess I'll stop on the way back and have a look. That looks very cool with the mountain where we rode down yesterday. Yeah. Digging the tunnels. See what we got down here. That. There we go. Okay. Shows you how high up we are. And some kind of scenic sign thing here. I don't think I'm going down here too much further. Ringed by mountains. Okay. Yesterday, weren't we? We came down where those houses are. We were coming down here, so it would eventually have come across that road and then wound all the way up here. Oh, wait a minute though. No, here it is. Look, because can you see where they blasted it?
Yeah.
That's flat.
It goes around, and there's some,
It must stay at that level because it's a railway. Yeah. It can't go. You see what I'm saying? It can't go steep. So, anyway, I think we'll head on back. Yeah. Oh, so that was the dam before. It was before they built the dam.
Rock and volcanic lava.
Yeah.
1.5 billion years.
Million. No, billion. Oh, up there. Yeah. And then 5 million years ago, the youngest of which was 5 million. Yeah, we said it was it was all limestone. We said that driving in with volcanic lava flows on it. Yeah, we could see all that. All right. Well, okay, there we go. I'm going to. There's a boat coming into the marina, and this. So that's all the way around the lake there, and we're on the trail going up to these tunnels. Put my cleat back in. Marjorie's already ahead of me here. We decided we're going to stop and have a picture. Oh, perfect, yeah. In front of the two tunnels. Yeah. Okay. There we go. And into the second tunnel here. Oh yes. So there are bats up there somewhere. Yeah. It's probably right there where you can see the white droppings. Yep. Yep. That's bats. For sure. That wind certainly comes through this tunnel. And out the other side. We have another scenic overlook here. It's spectacular. Oh yeah, you see some of the volcanic stuff there. That's all lava.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Oh, if you have more than one kid, you have to have a plan.
Yes, yeah. The government, the Chinese government policy. So he went to the American embassy. Wow, it's like you switch the lights off when your eyes are used to the bright sun. And there we are. And the next tunnel. Oh yeah. Well, some of those were us coming back down. Yes, I did notice some as we started at the top of the trail, so I was like, okay, this makes sense. Yeah, I think this trail has got the other one we were, thinking about going over to Red Rock, but this has got that beat. Once you work out where the actual trail is.
All your friends would love this.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Acting crazy on it.
Yeah, doggone his 29er single speed. He'd be whizzing along here. This is pretty spectacular. I will give him that. Well, I'm glad I wasn't one of the navvies working on this railway. Come to the last tunnel here, I think. Pitch black. Can't even see the other end yet till we get round the corner. Ah, there we go. And it's back up the hill and to the parking lot. That's not too bad, really. Once we worked out where we were supposed to go. Okay, that's the backdrop to the Hoover Dam. I should put that fencing there so you don't go over the edge. Now we're clipping along here on this bit. And down again around the corner. You don't want anybody wrecking. I guess I'm going fairly cautious here, but you could certainly come down here at speed and then not make this corner very easily. Alright, let's brake. Oh yeah, you wouldn't want to go off down there. And zoom down this bit, and then on the banking come round. I'm sure Marjorie's going to take that at a very gentle speed. Yep. She's way back. Now that was not too bad at all. I thought it was going to be a lot harder coming back up there than that turned out to be. So there you go. Your view towards Hoover Dam and the parking lot. So that's about it. Well, we are zooming along here. I will apply some brakes though, so on this corner, as this is rather tight. You can see a few people skidded there. Way. Yeah, that bit's fun. That was the hardest part, coming up there on the way in. Alright, well, we're nearly to the parking lot. I keep saying that. See you back at the car. And here we are. Back to the start of the trail. And it runs back up to the parking lot. Oh, hooray, back on asphalt. Finally. Marjorie behind me. Whew, that's better. And that goes down to Hoover Dam. And this goes back up to where we started. Oh, that's better. Actual piece of asphalt to roll on. Feels a whole lot better. Alright, there you go. End of the trip.